Which of the following is the network ID of the IP 192.168.100.80/26? To answer this question, the first thing we have to do is work out the original network ID. This is class C, so the default prefix was /24. The original network ID was therefore 192.168.100. I'll write out the last octet here as X's. /26 is the prefix that they used. Therefore, /26 covers the first three octets, which is 24 bits, 25, 26. So these 2 bits in the last octet, the first 2 bits, are our subnet bits. The increment value, therefore, is this column. This is the subnet bit with the lowest value, and the value of this column is 64. Therefore, our subnets are the original 192.168.100.0. All of these are using /26. The next one is 192.168.100.64. The next one is 192.168.100.128. Now the IP address itself is .80. .80 is between 64 and 128. Therefore, 80 is an IP address that is on the 192.168.100.64 network. Which of the following is the network ID of the IP 192.168.100.50/27? The first thing to do is work out the original network ID. This is class C. The default prefix is /24. Therefore, the original network ID was 192.168.100.0. And I'll just write the last octet as X's. /27 is covering the first 24 bits, 25, 26, 27. The first 3 bits of the last octet are therefore our subnet bits. This bit is therefore our increment value, which is 32. The subnets that they calculated therefore were 192.168.100.0/27. The next one was 192.168.100.32. And the next one was 192.168.100.64. The IP in question is .50. .50 is in between 32 and 64. Therefore, it is part of the 32 subnet. Which of the following is the network ID of the IP 192.168.100.30/29? In this question, we have to determine the original network ID. This is class C. The default prefix was /24. The original network ID was 192.168.100.0. I'll write the last octet as X's. The prefix here is /29. /29 is covering the first 3 octets, which is 24 bits, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So these 5 bits in the last octet are our subnet bits. This bit is the subnet bit with the lowest value, and its value is 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. So 8 is our increment value. The network IDs that they calculated from this, therefore, were 192.168.100.0. This is /29. And I'll just write out the value of the last octet here. We're incrementing by 8, so the next network ID would be .8, .16, 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 8 is 32. Now I'll stop right there because the IP is .30. .30 is in between 24 and 32. Therefore, it is a part of the .24 subnet. The network ID that it's a part of is therefore 192.168.100.24.